Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies with the ticker symbol XELA. This is a company that is based out of Irving in Texas, and it is a business that facilitates transactions and provides document management services for businesses across the globe. The company has had a few changes made to its top management, including the chief executive officer, who is transitioning, I believe, into retirement. But today, unfortunately, as you can see, the stock is down a further 4.3%, trading at 38 cents a share. This is quite surprising because this is a company that has a lot of potential, and with people actually returning back to work and businesses opening up around the globe, you would expect that the stock would actually start rising, but paradoxically the stock is instead declining. I've looked high and low, and there is absolutely no catalyst as to why the stock of XELA keeps sliding. At this point, I had said it even when the stock was trading at about 40 cents. At 38 cents, this is bargain territory. And it's, if you had the means, I would say this is the time to just gulp up as many shares of XELA as you can. If you look at the 52-week range, the stock had descended as low as 34 cents, and it had also risen as high as $5.45. So just within a 52-week range, you can see that the stock has moved quite a bit. For me, I think that there is more headroom than footroom at this point. There's just not so much more room for this stock to drop, but I could be proven wrong. So be careful if you are planning on investing in XELA. Do your due diligence, but I think at this point there is more upside than downside if you invest in this stock. If we look at the monthly, you can see how the stock rose about March 7th, March 8th. It rose all the way up to, it was at about 93 cents, almost $1. And then from there, it has slid down, all of this just within the space of about 30 days. Volume so far is 16 million shares that have exchanged hands, and the average volume is 48 million shares on a daily basis. Also, if you are planning on investing in XELA, please take a moment and look at some of the other major investors in the company. You have some major, big hitters in the industry, some very good funds, and also good institutional backers who are very well invested in this company. I mean, in the hundreds of thousands and some in the millions of dollars. So that was just a quick look at Exela Technologies. I wish I had the means. This, at this price point, this is something to throw in maybe a couple thousand. Forget about it. Come back in about 2 years time. Well, that's what I had to share with you guys. We will keep watching Exela Technologies, and hopefully the stock bounces back sometime in the future. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.